Hello everyone, today we are excited to post our very first video under how to do by sparkl'art. So the reason we came up with the idea of new content is that many of you had requested a lot to do the videos for hair solutions like hair fall, hair growths, etc. and different DIY videos too. We are very grateful and thankful for your love and support. Please come up with more requests on our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channel. Our hair is said to be a crowny glory. On the other hand, we cannot deny the truth that hair fall is our major problem nowadays. Well, we don't have to worry anymore because hair fall hacks that might help you. But before that, we should know that what exactly is the cause of our hair fall. A lack of right nutrients including vitamin A, B, C, D, E, zinc, iron, protein and fatty acids may slow down hair growth or even hair loss. Fast food are even worse for hair loss. If you have craving for a burger or fries, it's best to cook yourself in less oil or limit it to once a month only. Constantly pulling or moving hands through hairs can cause strands of your hair to break or fall out. When you don't give time to your hair and always make your hairs tied up, it doesn't allow it to breathe and causes hair fall. Using heat on your hair is very harsh. You must always use heat protectors and try to use them as less as possible. There are few medical causes that leads to hair fall as well. If your hair fall cause is related to medical, you must visit a doctor and go for suitable treatment. Other than you may do healthy beneficial tips that I am going to tell you. Intake of vitamin B12 improves your hair growth. Do not take supplements without doctor's prescription. I personally use this mixture for my daily hair care routine. Having a proper hair massage will boost the entire process of hair growth. It helps to improve the blood circulation and reduce the hair fall. hair massage daily in our life as it improves the blood circulation, which helps in hair growth and reduce hair loss. So here's an overview of what we should and we should not do with our hairs. We must avoid the chemical product to apply on our scalp. Try avoid hot water to rinse your hairs. Try not to wear tight hairstyles and wear the ponytail below the ear level. Avoid combing your wet hairs and use homemade detangler before combing. Massage your head daily. Rinse your hair with cool water. Never apply heat directly on your hairs. Always towel dry your hairs and do not rub it. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with the sparkl'art.